Only mature, firm bananas are selected.
The cut must be clean and precise to ensure the quality of the bunch before it is lowered to the worker below.
Damage at this stage is never acceptable.
Speed matters, but care matters more.
Here at the heart of the field, the freshly harvested fruit is gathered.
The next stage of the journey waits beyond the fields.
This precise timing is crucial. It ensures the fruit remains fresh for the journey ahead.
Harvest is complete for today.
From soil to system, the process moves on. From the dirt roads of the farm to the paved highway, this transport links agriculture directly to industry.
Scale defines modern production.
The entry protocols are precise, guiding the shipment securely into the facility.
To ensure quality control, every shipment is logged before proceeding.
Gate cleared. Proceeding to Bay 3.
Here, raw material meets infrastructure.
The environment is now fully controlled. The raw product is revealed again.
Condition is good. Straps secure?
Yes, Supervisor. All tight.
Ensuring the cold chain is never broken?
The process moves inward.
The factory takes control.
Inside, the scale becomes clear.
This is where raw material enters the system.
Access to the processing floor is tightly controlled, ensuring that every step is deliberate and precise.
Every role is defined.
All right, next position over here.
The light exposes every surface. The central conveyor spine ensures the movement never ceases, guiding the harvest towards the washing section.
Cleaning comes first.
The narration confirms that the clean fruit resurfaces as the water drains away through the channel below.
Waste leaves the system. The final rinse ensures purity.
Human eyes catch what machines miss.
Only suitable fruit moves forward. The waste collected in this bin is meticulously documented before disposal. With the conveyor aligned and tools ready, the transformation is close at hand.
The automated process concludes here, as control returns to human hands for the final stage of preparation.
That skill makes speed possible. The edible path continues. Preparation determines consistency.
This meticulous spacing is essential as it prevents any overlap during the high-speed cutting process.
Precision steel takes over.
Thickness defines the final product. Shape and size are locked, ensuring perfect consistency for every piece moving along the belt.
This uniform distribution ensures even treatment as the bananas enter the sterilization tunnel.
The narration states that temperature is tightly managed.
As the banana slices reach the fryer, the transformation is imminent. They plunge into the bubbling oil, emerging as crispy golden snacks.
Moisture meets heat.
The moment they hit the hot oil, the cooking process begins instantly.
The controlled motion improves the texture of the banana chips.
Nothing is wasted.
The color stabilization process ensures uniformity. The color settles into gold just before reaching the seasoning equipment.
And here, as the chips gently tumble, the flavor enters the process, creating that perfect seasoned crunch.
Balance defines taste. Even a slight adjustment in the drum speed matters significantly for the final product's consistency and flavor. Heat begins to fade.
Inside the cooling tunnel, controlled airflow circulates evenly as the temperature stabilizes.
As the seasoned banana chips pass through the cooling tunnel, the residual moisture escapes through the vents above, ensuring a perfect crisp.
The product is nearly finished.
The crunch is verified.
The flow regulation gate controls the density of the banana chips. This is crucial as the density directly affects the accuracy of the sorting equipment.
Automation takes the lead.
ensuring that consistency is enforced instantly.
Quantity matters as much as quality. As you can see, the even spread dramatically improves the accuracy of the seasoning. The system test confirms that the systems are always active.
Clean air protects East Asian male workers.
While the process is highly automated, human oversight remains critical. As you can see, the workers are monitoring every stage of the banana chips line.
The real-time data stream allows us to monitor efficiency, proving conclusively that data guides our decisions. Efficiency adapts instantly.
The automated checkpoint ensures continuous approval, maintaining the seamless flow of our perfectly seasoned banana chips.
The subtle vibration ensures perfect alignment as the movement finds its rest.
Shape confirms quality.
As you can see, all byproducts are precisely controlled.
As the banana chips move along the conveyor, precise orientation is crucial, as it significantly affects the
measurement defines trust. The seasoned banana chips fill the weigh hoppers. The system calculates the precise weight instantly, ensuring optimal load distribution.
Precision is achieved.
Here in the controlled lighting zone, our inspection process ensures the highest quality by removing all illusion.
Random checks ensure honesty. As the analysis begins, it is important to remember that the precise measurement of moisture content ultimately defines the shelf life of these seasoned banana chips.
And as the sample passes through, the green light confirms that safety standards are fully met.
The batch earns clearance.
Approved seasoned banana chips rejoin the main conveyor line, and the line resumes, heading toward the packaging area.
The packaging process is crucial, as it protects the quality and freshness of the banana chips.
Branding meets precision.
With our weighed drop release system, you can be sure the portions are exact every time. Freshness is locked in.
The horizontal cut ensures a perfect seal every time. As you can see, each unit stands complete, ready for boxing.
High-speed inkjet printing applies clear date and batch codes, ensuring traceability remains visible on the banana chips packaging.
As you can see, every seal undergoes a rigorous integrity check to ensure maximum freshness. Volume defines scale.
At this station, human hands finalize the grouping of the banana chips packages before they are sealed and shipped.
Shipping integrity matters.
Units become loads. Ensuring maximum stability, the pallet is now securely wrapped. Stability is ensured. Storage here preserves readiness, keeping the supply chain moving smoothly.
Here, in the main distribution hub, the inventory waits in order, ready for transit.
The destination is confirmed.
Labels verified. We are good to go. All right, let's get this loaded.
The journey continues outward.
And this is how modern factories produce banana chips from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.